Hello, welcome to this program called English for Personal and Professional Development. I am Dr. Neha Purohit and today we are going to talk about adjectives. But before I begin, let me give you a situation. Suppose you are sitting in a world which is full of objects, which is full of things. But I snatch from you the power to describe anything. आप किसी भी चीज के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं बता सकते. How will you feel? Of course, you will feel bored, you will feel frustrated, you will feel helpless. And that is what the adjectives do. If you have noticed the last three words of my sentence, bored, frustrated, adjectives, they have described my feeling. Whatever is happening with me, they have described that. And that is why adjectives are the magical words which enable us to describe ourselves. They give a power to us. They give wings to our imagination. They give wings to our language. So, let's start. So, in this video, we are going to follow some objectives. We are going to follow certain patterns. And what is that? We are going to understand what do we mean by adjectives. We need to understand हम जो टॉपिक आज पढ़ने वाले हैं उसका मतलब क्या है. Then we are going to look at the position of adjectives. As I told you, language is a flexible thing. Number of adjectives can come in a particular sentence. So what is the position? Major types of adjectives. Of course, we are not going to look at the definitions because our focus is on the application part. But we need to know what do adjectives do? What are the types? Then we are going to look at the adjective orders. So if in a particular sentence there are certain multiple adjectives, how will you choose which adjective comes first and which adjective comes second? And finally, we are going to look at the comparative and superlative aspect of adjective. So before I begin, there is one tip. We do not call it adjective. The pronunciation of this topic is adjective. The is silent. Now, there is a task for all of you. Look at this picture. How will you describe it? So, if you think you're doing it right, if you think about this picture, you will see that it's a beautiful picture. The houses are really colorful. The environment looks green, but the road is a bit narrow here. Now, if I remove all these words from this picture like green, colorful, beautiful, narrow, what will we be left with? हमारे पास क्या रह जाएगा? हमारे पास सिर्फ इन सारी चीजों के नाम रह जाएंगे. That we mean houses, trees, road, and so on and so forth. But इन चीजों के बारे में आप कुछ भी नहीं बता सकते अगर आपके पास adjectives नहीं है. So this gives us the hint. What do we mean by adjectives? Adjectives का क्या function होता है? हमें ये पता चल गया. Adjectives are describing words. When we talked about nouns, we call them naming words. Today we are doing adjectives, and please remember these adjectives are describing words. What do they describe? They may describe the nouns or the pronouns. That means they may describe the subject or they may describe the object. Now they come in various functions. The first function may be attributive adjectives. Attributive adjectives का काम होता है जब वो noun से just पहले आते हैं. So for example, juicy mango. I really like juicy mango. I like horror movies. So this horror movies, here this becomes an attributive adjective because they come before the noun. The second part may be a predicative adjective. यहाँ पे adjectives noun के बाद आते हैं and they follow the linking verb. There are certain sentences like I am happy. So here I is your subject or Ram is happy. So Ram is the noun. Am is your verb and happy is the adjective because it comes after this verb called linking word. So the name of this kind of adjective is predicative adjective. तीसरे तरह के adjectives हो सकते हैं जो कहलाते हैं post positive adjective, जहाँ पे वो noun के immediately बाद आते हैं. They follow the noun immediately. For example, something weird. So you see that they have a different function in different sentences. They may come before the noun, they may come after the verb, or they may come immediately after the noun. So this is how adjectives perform their functions, but the main function is the same, that they describe things. Now what do adjectives describe? I am not going to give you the types of adjectives. We are going to look at what do adjectives describe, what do adjectives do. They may describe your appearance. For example, it's a clean room, it's a clean table, so it's an appearance. Color, as we saw, red houses, yellow houses, color. Condition, I have got a brand new car, the vase is broken, so this broken, brand new, this becomes your condition. You may also have a personality. My friend has a very annoying personality. My friend is very timid. He is not brave. So timid, brave, these are the types of your personality. They can also describe quantity. I have sufficient water in my bottle. मेरे पूरे दिन का काम आज हो जाएगा. I have sufficient money in my pocket. So this sufficient, insufficient, countless, inadequate, ये दिखाती है आपकी quantity. Then we also can describe the sense. I hate smelly socks. I think everybody does. So this smelly, bitter, cold, ये आपकी sense को describe करते हैं. Then we have size and shape also. So I have a triangular box. It's a circular thing. So triangular, circular, deep sea. These always describe the size and the shape. And finally, the adjectives can also describe time. So I'm learning contemporary dance these days. So contemporary, or I'm reading a contemporary writer. So contemporary, ancient, brief, these kind of words describe your time. All these types may have a name, but what is important here is first you understand what do adjectives do. Because if you are not teaching grammar, you can do well with this information also. Then adjectives can also be formed with ing and ed. So you might have seen words like surprising, shocking. It was a very shocking news for me. So if the news is shocking, that means it shocks you. If it was a frightening experience, it means it frightens you. The other way with which we can form our adjectives is ed. So you may say that I am bored with my routine. So if you say you are bored, there is something that bores you. You may say that I am worried about my result. So there is something that worries you. So worried, bored, with ed, we can also frame our adjectives. Now, the important thing here is, as I told you before also, in a particular sentence, it is not important that you will have only one adjective. There can be many adjectives, but more than 3 is rare. Generally ऐसा देखा गया है कि एक पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस में 3 से ज़्यादा एडजेक्टिव्स नहीं होते. पर अगर 3 एडजेक्टिव्स आ रहे हैं तो आप कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे कौन सा एडजेक्टिव पहले लगेगा? So this is the order. Now suppose in a particular sentence you have an adjective of quantity, you have an adjective of size, and you have an adjective of color. So the order says सबसे पहले हम quantity वाला adjective लेंगे. So 1, 3, 99. Then you have a size, big, and then you may have the color. So I may say that I have one big red box. I have one big red box. And इसी तरह से आप अपने order को decide करेंगे So this is the order. We have put articles in determiners also, because generally in the contemporary grammar, these determiners and articles, they have been separated from adjectives. In the traditional grammar, they used to be a part of these adjectives. So सबसे पहले तो आप obviously article determiner लगाते हैं, they are not a part of adjectives anymore. And then we may have this one. So first we have quantity, then we have opinion, then we have the size, we have the physical quality, we have the age, shape, color, origin, material and type. So a quick recap about this slide. Generally, we do not have more than three. More than three adjectives are rare. So we will not have more than three in a particular sentence. But अगर एक sentence में तीन adjectives आपको मिल रहे हैं and you have to frame your sentence with that, please follow this order. This will really help. Now adjectives can come in comparative degrees and superlative degrees. Comparative degree का मतलब ये है that we are making a comparison between two things, which is better, which is worse. Superlative degree का मतलब है we are making comparison between one and the rest of all. So superlative comparative degree क्या करती है? Comparative degree हमारे लिए comparisons लाती है. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है that whenever we make a comparison between two things, we used to make a use of than. It is very important that we make a use of than. So this girl is prettier than that one. This box is bigger than that one. So a comparison between two. We use ER, IER, ER, or we also make use of the word more. There are certain words जिनके साथ हम ER और IER नहीं लगा सकते. So we use more. For example, more beautifuler. Beautifuler कुछ नहीं होता. We say more beautiful. More comfortable, because comfortabler कुछ नहीं होता. तो जिन शब्दों के साथ हम ER नहीं लगाते, वहाँ पे हम more add करते हैं comparison करने के लिए. Comparative degree is between two adjectives and we make use of ER or more. इसके बाद आती है superlative degree. As I told you, superlative degree is a comparison between one and the rest of all. So I have the biggest box. So my box and all the other boxes that other people have. This is that comparison. जैसे पिछले comparison में हमने note किया था that we will use than. Superlative degree में we will always use the. I have the biggest box. I have the best friend in this world. The superlative means you are establishing the category as the best or whatever. So with this we have come to the end of adjectives. Now there is a task. When you go home or when you roam around, whenever you go anywhere, observe things and describe them. Adjectives will enhance your imagination. They will also enhance your creativity. Because if we are able to describe things well, half of the battle is done. So, thank you so much. Happy learning. Goodbye.